Oh folks, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a tool review on this, a little pneumatic hole punch and joddler. I've been wanting to do a little review on this for a while because I absolutely love it. I use it like all the time when I'm doing panel work. I've just never really got around to it. But a friend of mine, Outlaw, over in Minnesota, he's got one of these and it broke. And I was watching a video of him trying to fix it, and it sort of just inspired me to do a quick video and show you how one is supposed to work. So basically it's just an air tool. It's got a cylinder in here, and then what it does is you've got a hole punch there and a joddler there, and it just moves the jaws. It's very simple. Yeah, so when you're sort of doing panel work, you know, you've got a lip like that and you want to plug weld. Instead of having to drill and tap, you can just get that and that's the perfect size hole for plug welding. The other thing that you can do with the joddler is if you're wanting to sort of put two panels together, I mean, you can obviously butt weld or you can overlap, but when you overlap you'll have a little ridge like that. So using the joddler, now this is always the challenge because you've got to remember which way it goes. You can slowly go across. So now, when you overlap it, that's nice and flush, so you can put your welds in there and then sort of grind it back and that'll be a nice solid weld. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a quick review of this fantastic little tool. They do hand operated ones, but you know, this is just so much quicker, so much better. I bought this off of Amazon. So I'll put a link in the description for that for you. If you want to see a grown man lose the will to live and then pretty much turn into a primate as all his IQ runs away, go check out Outlaw Edge, where he sort of failed or tried and failed to repair one of these. I'll put a link in the description for that as well. Please subscribe to the channel. When you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you're informed of all my new videos. Follow me on social media. Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, even to say hi. Catch you later. Bye.